Chris's ARB fridge. Connected by 240 volts. There we go, then we can see the detail, or perhaps we can't. There we go. Okay. Right, what about this ARB fridge then? Well, you can see the front panel. If we press the power on for the front power, we can see the temperature, 16 degrees. If we want to set the temperature to be lower, get your finger on the minus temperature button. I would have thought, unless you've got to press that. Ah, that's it. So press that first, and then press what temperature do you want. Actually, I think we'll just go for a nice easy fridge of 3 degrees. Okay, tells you 3 degrees, that's what we're looking for. Open up the fridge. You open up the fridge by lifting that up. Solid handle, plastic. The thing I like about this is you got an interior light, which not many of them have, so that's all quite handy. So you've got two big compartments there, then you've got a smaller compartment there, presumably for chilling cans or whatever. Just close that back up. It's now working, I can hear the fan going on the side. A bit noisier than I'd have thought, but it's the first run out, so we'll see how long it takes for this to go down. You can hear the motor actually changing noise. Definitely working, the fan's working. There's air coming out of there, so I can expect that it will start to cool everything down. There you go, quick tour of the ARB fridge freezer.